What if the International Court of Justice were the stage for a case of alleged genocide? What would it mean for the nations involved and the world at large? Today, we delve into the recent case filed by South Africa against Israel at the International Court of Justice. The International Court of Justice, or ICJ, is the United Nations' premier legal forum. Established in 1945, the ICJ is based in The Hague, Netherlands, and is tasked with adjudicating disputes between countries and providing advisory opinions. It consists of 15 judges, each elected for a 9-year term by the UN General Assembly and the Security Council. Now let's address the elephant in the room. South Africa has filed a case against Israel, accusing it of genocide in its military campaign against Hamas in Gaza. South Africa's claims are multifaceted, revolving around the allegation that Israel has the specific intent to destroy Palestinians in Gaza as a part of the broader Palestinian national, racial, and ethnical group. In its 84-page filing, South Africa further accuses Israel of failing to prevent genocide and prosecute officials who have publicly incited genocide. While the court deliberates, South Africa seeks a provisional measure obliging Israel not to engage in genocide and to prevent and to punish genocide. But what exactly constitutes genocide? The Genocide Convention, ratified by 153 countries, including Israel, defines it as acts committed with intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnical, racial, or religious group. These acts can range from killing members of the group, causing serious bodily or mental harm, to forcibly transferring their children to other groups. Israel, for its part, has vehemently denied these allegations. Lior Hayat, the Israeli Foreign Ministry spokesperson, labeled the claims as baseless and a blood libel. He also accused South Africa of cooperating with a terrorist organization in Hamas and reaffirmed Israel's commitment to international law. The case, which was due to open for 2 days of hearings, is expected to take years to reach a final verdict. However, an interim measure could be issued within weeks. For South Africa to secure this temporary measure, it doesn't need to prove that genocide has occurred. It merely needs to show that the court would have jurisdiction at first glance, or prima facie, and that some of the acts it complains of could fall under the Genocide Convention. South Africa's filing has garnered support from the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, whose 57 members include many African and Muslim-majority countries. In summary, South Africa's case against Israel at the ICJ is a significant event in international law. It involves allegations of genocide, a term not used lightly in global discourse. The case's outcome could have profound implications for both nations and the broader international community. As the ICJ deliberates, the world watches, reminding us of the critical role of international justice in maintaining global peace and stability.